Hi, my name is Geraint Forster. We're down here at CrossFit Carmarthen and I'm the Programme Manager of the BSc Sport and Exercise Science degree at University of Wales Trinity St David. The main thing we try to do with our course is embed as much vocational experience and qualifications in with the modules. So we study theoretical modules like physiology, kinesiology, and biomechanics and psychology, but we try and give as many opportunities to get vocational awards. So all our students in their first year get their gym instructor and their personal training award so that they can start working right from the first year and get that experience. So for example, we're down here in CrossFit Carmarthen. One of our graduates, Lawrence Edwards, runs this place and he's given opportunities to our students to get work here, working with children, working with adults, working with a range of different population groups.
So I'm Lawrence Edwards. This is my gym, CrossFit Carmarthen, and I run this family business with me and my wife. Obviously, I was in school when I was younger and I found school very hard. One, because I was quite hyperactive, hands-on, and I didn't kind of feel that school was my thing. So after many years of working, doing different jobs, I kind of always had a passion for training for the gym, and I wanted to start again when I was 25. My wife had just finished uni, and she mentioned that it might be a good idea if I go back and start again and do something I have a passion for. The only problem is I had one GCSE and was unsure if I would actually get into a uni. I thought, right, okay, well I'll inquire about the uni, and university isn't about having everything given to you by the lecturers, but more of being taught how to do your own research. But also the university offered more of a hands-on approach, so there's a lot of practical sessions. Best thing I ever did, going back to uni. Going back and starting all over again means that I wake up every day doing the job I love. This job allows me to make a difference in other people's lives. I would definitely give university a shout or a thought, and not be put off, because there's so much help available at the uni. So yeah, it's actually a lot easier than you think, provided you have the help that you need, and I had that help at the uni.
Hi, I'm Amber. I'm a student at UWTSD. I study sport and exercise science and I'm in my first year. I'm really enjoying the practical side of the course, through learning through kinesiology as well as the personal training aspect, where I get to get my vocational qualifications such as my level 2 gym instructor and my level 3 personal trainer award, which really set me up for careers even in my first year. Through the university and CrossFit, I've been able to get some vocational experience working with different age groups, learning how to coach kids classes, fitness classes, as well as some S&C with a local rugby team who come here to do their S&C once a week. So it's really built my confidence in teaching a variety of age groups. Yeah, it's been amazing. I wouldn't expect to have done this in like my first year, so I'm like loving life.